Hi there, Prakash here from PrakashCVS.com. I'm inside the members area of Ducky Dollars. During this video, I'm going to give a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how it works. Ducky Dollars is basically put together by my good friend Mr. Dawood Islam and Miss Alam, and it's a very good. It's an info course basically, and in which we will learn the top secret site that will transform the social media marketing results. See, basically, what happens is in Facebook or in Instagram, where we cannot advertise or we cannot give affiliate links directly, and because of which will be banned. Either they will not take it, or for after some time your account will be banned. But whereas now what happens with Ducky Dollars, there is a very secret method. There is a site which a lot of affiliate marketers do not know how to promote an affiliate link, and this site will with this site you can promote not only one link, but you can also promote more than a couple of links directly in the Facebook or Instagram or other social media sites. So and Ducky Dollars will help send traffic from any platform directly to your affiliate links without being blocked. So that is about Ducky Dollars. And Ducky Dollars is definitely newbie friendly. It does not require any social media or marketing experience. A person who wants to promote an affiliate product, he can make money as early as tomorrow. So that's how this Ducky Dollars is going to work, and you can set up and start getting traffic to your site, offer in just a few clicks, and also a few days maybe maximum. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link below in the description of this YouTube video, which will take you to my bonus page. Looks something like this. All you have to do is scroll down and click on these yellow buttons, and this will be live as of 8 a.m. Eastern time on the 4th of October, and you'll be directed to the sales page. So the sales page will look something like this. All you have to do is scroll down and click on these yellow button, which will take you to the access and the payment gateway of Warrior Plus, and you're going to get the front end for only 14.95 US dollars. So the front end is going to cost you around 14.95 US dollars, and I have put a lot of custom bonuses for you in this particular offer, and I don't want you to miss out on these custom offers what I have put, and so that you can make best use of Ducky Dollars along with these bonuses. So I just want you to have a quick run through of the bonuses I have put. So the bonus number one is, what you're going to get is the lockdown formula. Yeah. Now in this bonus, you're going to get access to a course through which you learn how to make money online using affiliate marketing, and you'll also learn the basics of affiliate marketing. So here I'm going to give you a full run through of affiliate marketing, and also what the whole thing is all about, and you can learn the basics of affiliate marketing. Bonus number two is how to get viral, go viral and explore your traffic. This is your bonus number two, and here you're going to get access to a method through which you can get healthy traffic and good amount of subscribers to your channel. So this is bonus number two, and bonus number three is a very important thing. This is you will get a course on the equipment you need to start a YouTube channel. This is a fantastic course. wherein you require, suppose you're a newbie, or even though a little bit, you started your YouTube channel and you want to know what exactly you want to buy and what exactly you really want required to make a YouTube channel. So this is what you're going to get. Bonus number 4 is you're going to get Fugo Breakout. In this bonus, you're going to get access to a course by Brendan Mays. Brendan Mays is one of the 7-figure marketers, and this will show you how to get an insane amount of traffic just by using a simple rinse and repeat method. So, Fugo Breakout is all about traffic course, and bonus number 5 is I will give you access to all the bonuses the vendor has given to me to give it to you, and these bonuses are live training with 7-figure super affiliate. You're going to get a live training with 7-figure super affiliate. You're going to get agency rights. Bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is massive bundle of 35 products. You're going to get a bonus here, and you're going to get reseller rights. The next bonus is you're going to get reseller rights for 12 of Dowd's products. Like Dowd has come out with a lot of products lately, and you're going to get reseller rights for all the 12 products, and a special, and you're also getting as one more bonus a special dedicated full-time support desk. So these are the bonuses the vendor has given to me to give it to you. All these are 100% free of cost. Along with the bonus, along with the product you're going to get, and the vendor bonuses you're going to get at a price of just 14.95 US, and you're going to get this even if you pick up the front end, which is going to cost you around 14.95 US dollars. To get all these bonuses, all you need to do is scroll on the button, scroll on this on the bonus page, and click on any of these yellow buttons what you're seeing here, these yellow buttons, and it will take you to a sales page and where you can pick up the product. Once you are done, you simply go to the Warrior Plus account. All you have to do is just go to the Warrior Plus account, and you're going to find your affiliate button like this. Just click on that and click go to purchase history, and there you're going to come across a page after a payment gateway. It'll take you to a page which looks something like this. No receipt page. Here you can click on the green button which says access your purchase. Just below that is there's a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. There what you can do is just click on this button and you're going to get all the bonuses. You don't have to send me an email and a receipt page and all that. You just have to just press on this blue button and you're going to get all the bonuses along with the vendor bonuses. So I just want to go. I just want to run through the OTOs what he has put up for us, what Dawood Islam and Alam Akhtar have put up for us. So these are the bonuses. These are the front end. The front end is going to be 14.95. As I told you, the OTO is a pro version which will cost you around $37, but you're going to get it at a price of there's a downsell at $17. Okay, and now you're going to get how to use 3 other social media sites to maximize the result with lucky dollars. So that's what you're going to get for $37. The next one is going to upsell number 2, steal your traffic. So put your pixel on the sales page of Dawood and Akhtar's previous launches and tap into the thousands and thousands of previous buyers. So you can just put a pixel on Dawood's and Akhtar's previous sales, and you're going to get a lot of traffic from this particular this one. It's going to cost you around 197 US, and the downsell is at 97 US. So upsell number 2 is the reseller rights. You're going to get at $37. You can keep all the price points, all these price points to yourself, even though you just take the reseller rights, and you're going to get a downsell on this at $17 US. Upsell done for you campaigns is going to cost you 197 US. The downsell at 97 US. So upsell number 5 is a VIP package. Get free VIP upgrades worth around $64 each for all 25 Dawood sites in the MMO niche, plus a banner of your choice in the rotator for all the 25 sites on a permanent basis. This is a fantastic offer, it looks like. So this is VIP package is going to cost you $37, but there's a downsell at 17 US. So you can just go through these key benefits at your own time, and you can just come against this. So let us go to the sales page and have a look at what the sales page is saying. Yeah, The sales page says want to finally unlock the closely guarded social media secrets. So this I told you is about a site which is going to you can put your link in these affiliate sites, irrespective of whether it's an affiliate link or whatever it is. So this is what it is. Are you ready to finally to get real results? Hidden social media secrets never seen before. Finally get unlimited free traffic to your links. Promote multiple offers from your profile link, not just one. So what happens is you have a profile link at Instagram where you can promote only one link or one particular thing. But now with this product you can the Ducky Dollar method, you can promote multiple offers from your profile link, just not one. So never get banned or restricted. That's very important and easy to set up using a top secret site. We told you there's a site here which will do it, and over the shoulder step-by-step video training, totally UV friendly, no tech skills required, no list required, rinse and repeat method for multiple commissions. So this is the thing. So let's not waste any time and head over to the members area. The members area, I told you, is just an info course of the whole thing. So here we have got an welcome by Dawood Islam. Then we have an overview. Then starts the main training session. The main training session has got introduction, the secret site, creating your own this one. So it's all about the main training session. Then we've got the resources. Now, what are the resources? Then there's a small conclusion here, and the bonuses, whatever bonuses I've told you, everything is going to come here. So these are the upgrades, and unadvertised bonus is what you're going to see here. So this is the thing about the Ducky Dollar method of making of sending traffic to the affiliate products through social media sites, which is generally banned or is very difficult to do. So to get all these bonuses, all you have to do is click on this link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus offer, and click on the yellow buttons there, and which will take you to the sales page, and from there you can just purchase the product, and the front end is going to cost you just around 14.95 US dollars. So my take on this would be basically it's a good product if you want to promote affiliate links through social media platforms. This is a very good opportunity to do so. So I would recommend, definitely I would recommend this product, and I would definitely say out of 10 I would give a thing about 8. 8 would be my take on this particular one. So this brings me to the end of the review, and thank you very much for watching. If you found this review useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget clicking on the bell icon, which will keep you which will keep you informed about my latest reviews coming up. So kindly also press the like button and also comment on, which will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.